Why we support a campus connection, I think, is you can always say it's my personal passion, and I always aligned with the Infotech's passion as well. That we believe that we need to give back to the education, and all those students who are coming out to this institute, they should realize and understand what's the corporate culture is, what's the expectation of any company like Infotech is when they're studying in it. So I think believe that's a good platform where we can communicate. Both ways. We can hear what their expectation is, and we can always tell what our expectation is. So helping them bridge the gap, I believe. One specific reason I can talk, a couple of specific reasons I can say about it. One thing is the lack of quality faculty. There are a lot of institute, and of course the number of students going into the institute is huge, but the faculty available is very limited. Limited in terms of the quality. The second thing, the faculty also it's been detached from the industry as well. They really don't have that much exposure or in-depth experience of the industry. Historically, what they say, that industries follow the education because there's a lot of research going on. But environment like Pakistan, industry is ahead in technology and practices than the education institutes are. I think it's very important specifically for the faculty to stay in touch, abreast with what's the trends going on in the industry and what the requirements are, so they can go back in classrooms and set the expectation of the students as well. I think we have started a lot of projects and initiatives in that respect. We had the internship program, and currently we are also involved in final year projects for quite a few students from the universities, where they can come join us for their real-time projects, and they can help us, of course, and we can also help them to get a real-life exposure. I think it should be more like on a continuously basis, and it should be progressive as well. It should be marked against some kind of benchmarks or KPIs. A lot of initiatives, I think, being repeated over the last few years, where I've seen it. I think internship programs been repeated over and over again. We need to have a little step further. For example, helping out in curriculum design, helping out the faculty, involve them in those advanced trainings which we plan for our own employees. Also, I think carved out the uniformity in the education style. What exactly, how, and we're going to teach it, and where the whole industry spectrum can be fulfilled. Sometimes, one technology is hyped up and everybody's trying to follow it, but it may not be necessarily a requirement of the industry at this time. I think that's alignment with its requirement. My name is Nadeem Malik, and you're watching me at CIO Web Studio.